here is my Thai Constellation plant. So this is another plant that I chopped up along with that Philodendron Bruno. So look at the big leaves on this one, and some of the leaves are getting brown stuff on it, which is normal. So this side here too is getting brown. I need to chop that leaf off. Right here it's getting not looking good, so that needs to go. This one is the new sprout, and I also planted that in a new pot because I wanted to see if it will give me new growth as well. So this is actually the first plant that I chopped up, and it did grow. I'll show you the other part of it, the bottom of this plant. This is the part where I cut that Thai Constellation plant. So that's the top, the cut that I did. I didn't even get rid of the wood that I used to hold it. And this is the top right here. See how big that is? This was the leaf that first sprouted after I cut it. See the new, that first new leaf that came out only have few holes, and then it grew to this one, and now it has this. So I'm also trying to see what I'm gonna do on this, because it's in this big chaotic pot that I just throw some plants in there and let them live in that one pot. So I'll see what I can do later. I just not thinking of moving it anywhere, cutting the wood. I'm just gonna let it grow for a little bit and see how it grows and see how much leaves I could get on this one. I'm really interested on seeing if maybe I could cut another one later and have that be in a separate pot, this little tiny piece right here. So I am interested on what's gonna happen on that. So that's really something to look forward to, but I'm gonna be able to see this beautiful leaf unfurl one day, and it's gonna be so pretty like the rest of their leaves right here. So I can't wait. So happy that I actually did not kill the plant by cutting it off. So I should have done that a long time ago. I was just so afraid to cut this plant and don't want to risk losing the plant, but now it's happy, and I'm even thinking of cutting it once it's getting bigger again and see if I get more plant out of this beautiful Thai Constellation. See you next time, friends.